All right, in the last video there, I said I was going to show you how I set up this little flame thing. Some people like it, some people don't. If you don't like it, you can just skip it. But actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to hijack this lesson and I'm going to talk about my icons. And so I have a nice little icon set here. And if I just open up a new project, let's open up this project called Watcher. And what I have here is on the left, and if I make that just a touch bigger here so we can see it. Python extension was updated. Cool. So I have these nice little icons on the left here. And if I've got a JS file, it shows a nice JS file. If I've got an HTML file, it shows a nice HTML file icon. It shows all sorts of things in here. And so the way I do that is in my extensions, I can go to material theme icons. And so if you just install material theme icons, set file icon theme, this should just work right out of the box for you. Now, if this doesn't, you might just need to scroll down here and look at some of the installation getting started. What are we looking at here? Do we have anything useful? Yep, activate your theme. And then you can type icon theme. So if I hit Command Shift P, or if you're on Windows, Control Shift P, or Linux, Control Shift P, and then I just type in icon theme, I can choose file icon theme. And you can choose which one you want in here. And it will eventually change if I do this. Is this going to change? Yeah, this changes them for me. And so what I like to do is I just like my standard material theme icons ocean. And that just comes with this theme. I just like that. So if you don't have the icons, you might want to get some icons. Icons look nice.